A couple of years ago, I made it a goal to visit all of the 50 US states before I turn 50 years old. So far, I've been to a bunch of different states. But ever since I got into filming, I've really only shown about 2. So I think it's time that we take a little trip. Why do all of my flights leave so early in the morning? Anyways, I moved to Utah. The reason I moved here was for school.
Hello! Welcome to Nicole's tour of the
Hello!
BYU. I don't know where I'm going, but Nicole does.
I'm the tour guide. This is the Kennedy Center. This is where you go for all your travel, study abroad kind of stuff. Very nice. Sometimes you have class in the basement. This is the bookstore.
As you can clearly see.
This is Brigham Square.
Ooh,
Very nice. That's the library, one of the entrances.
Ooh,
The glass entrance. This is the HVAC.
Ooh, if I get lost, it's Nicole's fault.
This is where they have all theater, music classes, practice room, all that fun stuff, everybody.
Ooh.
This is the ASB. That's where you go for like financial help. Right here is the JKB. That's like a lot of language classes and other random classes that get put there.
And that's the campus tour. Mountains.
At this point, I got super busy and mentally drained because college is hard. Now, with that being said, this episode doesn't really have a story because now that I live here, I can focus on individual places in greater detail. So enjoy this montage of all the things that I've gotten to see over the past couple of months.
I heard about this frog. It's a very tiny frog, but it's also very special. You can only find it in the jungle, so far away from here. But if you find it, and if you touch it, your world can change forever. If you touch its skin, you can feel your body changing, and your vision also. Blue becomes red, and red becomes blue, and your mommy suddenly becomes your daddy, and everything looks like a giant cupcake. And you keep laughing and laughing and laughing. Nothing is ever quite the same, really. And after you finish laughing, it's time to turn into a frog yourself. It's very funny to be a frog. You can dive into the water and cross the rivers and the ocean. And you can jump all the time and everywhere. Do you want to play with me? We can be a whole group of friends, a whole group of frogs. Jumping into the streets, jumping into the